Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing this look that you see right here. I think I'm going to call it like a purple sunset. I use lots of purples and of course the warm tones like the orange that you see on top. I had so much fun creating this look. I did use two palettes. The first palette I used is the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. And I also used this one by Juvia's Place to create this look that you see right here. If you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is of course prime my eyes. I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape and the shade Tan Deep Sand. I'm going to put that all over my lid and blend it out. Okay, so the first palette I'm going to be using is the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. It looks like this. I'm going to be using the shade Rockstar and put that all over my crease. I'm going to keep building the color up until I'm satisfied with the pigment. And then I'm going to blend it up just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going into the second palette that I'm going to be using, which is the Juvia's Place Afrique palette. These are the colors right here. I'm going to be using this shade right here called Dakar. And then I'm going to put it in the upper crease to blend out the plum shade. And I'm gonna keep blending it. I'm going to take a little bit of that yellow shade and blend out the orange. Okay, so I'm going back into the Bling Boss palette. I'm going to be taking the shade Mystique and deepen that plum shade. So I'm going to cut my crease. This is what it's looking like so far. I'm going back into the Bling Boss palette and then I'm going to take the shade Rockstar. I'm going to add that in the outer and inner corner of my lid. I'm going to take the shade Bling Bling. I'm going to spray it and add it in the middle. I'm just gonna go back and make sure everything is well blended. I'm going to take my liquid liner from Kat Von D and line my eyes. This is how the eyes are looking like so far. I'm going to do my face and then we'll come back and I'll finish my eyes. Okay, for my under eyes, I'm going to be using Rockstar one more time. And then I'm going to be using the orange shade and then the yellow shade to blend everything out. And then I'm going to put Rockstar in my inner corners. I'm going to put a little bit of the Fenty Beauty highlight. I'm going to take this one right here and the shade Sandcastle, and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to line my lips with MAC Chestnut. And then I'm going to add Bow and Arrow Kat Von D on my lips. And then I'm going to add the Tarteist lip paint and the shade Insta Famous. I'm just going to add that in the middle. I forgot lashes. I'm going to pop these on real quick. It's the Ardell Faux Make lashes. And I'm going to spray my face with my Scandinavia Makeup Finishing Spray. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it, and subscribe to this channel for videos every week, and I'll talk to you guys back on my next video. Bye.